Can I play?
No, this is just a game for two people.
Let's think win-win. You can play catch with three people, then everyone can play.
Great idea.
Great thinking.
Think, win, win.
Think win-win is a belief that everyone can win.
It's not me or you. It's both of us. It's coming up with a solution.
Until both people are happy with it.
When I think win-win,
I want everyone to be success.
When I think win-win, I don't have to put others down to get what I want. When I think win-win, it makes me happy to see other people happy. When I think win-win, I can problem solve a solution that comes up with another person.
When I think win-win, I think about what other people want and not just what I want.
we can all win. We can all win.
Have it for